nasikia toa. The guy that I was working with alikuwa amefika ameenda. Unaweza shutiwa hata haga. Unajua haga vile kupona ni ngumu. Amefika Kenya Mass. Mimi niko hapo, I'm just lying there like this in a pool of blood. After amekimbia mbele ameona ude makimbii, kwani kunaendaje? Hi everybody, welcome back to yet another tragic event of my life. This is Liki Mokeira. In the previous episodes, I shared with you how I got arrested in film school and how that was a narrow escape, how I nearly got burnt in a matatu. Well, this episode is going to be Gunshots at South C. It was on a Friday night, and this guy asked me out. Honestly, I was happy. I was like, yeah, I'm going out for a date at night. Hey, Friday, wow. In Kenya Mass, hey, ukiambiwa that you're being taken for a date, you're excited in a way, because food yenye tulikuwa tunakula huko usiku. Woo. Anyway, we really appreciate, by the way, those times Kenya Mass, by the way, they were treating us. On my side, I can say that for people who didn't have any other option of eating outside the school, it took care of people very well. It had breakfast at around by 8. Yeah, 8, but no, 7. By 7, breakfast is already it's ready. When unapanga line yako, unakula. And people you must have a meal card that has your admission number. It was like a calendar. Iko hapo, so ukikula hiyo tarehe inatikiwa. Breakfast 7. And then there was tea break. I used to love tea break. Maziwa chai ilikuwa inapikwa vizuri. And then they give you kulikuwa na mkate. No, breakfast ni kulikuwa na chai ya maziwa. Kama unakunywa chai ya maziwa, unakula pistachio ya mkate na mayai. Tell me kama utalala darasani. Yes. And then there was tea break, unapewa chai, and then unatafuta whatever you want. People used to like chapo smoky na chai. Ilikuwa inagonga. Hata ukienda klasi ya saa 5 unasikia okay, so naweza sikia hadi 1 hadi 12:45. Yeah. Lunchtime, tea break, you didn't there was no akukuwa na haja meal card. And then tea break, lunchtime ilikuwa mnapanga laini kirefu, but mnakula poa. Kenya Mass was amazing. Siku ya kuku. Wale watu wote wenye wakulagi. Those people who never used to eat in school. Siku ya kuku. It was usually Wednesdays. Laini. Hapa. Refu. Ilikuwa kuku na mchele. Kuku fiti, by the way, unakula unasikia kweli my school fees has been used very well. And then in breakfast they used to have that blue band. Kulikuwa na blue band kingine hapo. Unapewa mkate zile kubwa 3 pistachio. Alafu unakiwa blue band. Unakiwa blue band hapo hivyo. The good days, man. I don't know if still like that. I don't know if they have made it better or it's like that, but in Kenya Mass, we couldn't starve. Supper ilikuwaga ugali kulikuwaga na ugali, cabbage na nyama, or ugali sukuma na nyama, whatever you like. And then there was tea beside the ugali sukuma or ugali, cabbage na nyama. There was tea beside it. Take me back to the days. Yeah. Wafu mko mnakaa hapo hivyo mess kumeza hapo hivyo. Unajua mko unajua tu hii meza hapo ya kwanza ile ni ya group fulani, hii group hapo ni ya group fulani, hii hapa hii group ni ya powerhouse. Powerhouse walikuwa nakaga huko chini, ukienda Magoro walikuwa nakaa hapo. The good old days, man. So basically, CC, the people who went to Kenya Institute of Mass Communication, my era, we really enjoyed. Akukukuwa na kukaziwa mingi atini. Yes, I hear things are different, but it's for the better. Yeah, so that is how it was. So ukiambiwa on Friday, ukiambiwa unapelekwa date, unakumbuka kile kiugali, you're like, let me just eat something different. Yeah, let me just eat something different. Yeah, so I said yes. Well, let's go. What's a 20 date? So we went out on a date up at around South C. There used to be those who have gone to Kenya Mass, or those who know the surroundings of South C. The South C shopping center, there is In-N-Out, and then just the other side there used to be a restaurant. I think it was called Hannah's or something. That restaurant used to have really nice fries and chicken. So he took me to Hannah's. We had fries, I had fries and chicken, and we had fries with samosa. It was a simple date. Yeah, it was a simple date. We were both students. We still were not making our own money, so that is what we could afford at that time. And he paid actually, as a gentleman. So after we had our date, we talked and talked and talked. Yeah, so it was time to go back home. It was heading to 10 p.m. and our hostels, actually our hostels, Konzares, Kenya Mass has these hostels. Konza is for men and Konzares is for ladies. Yeah, Konzares, men, the dudes were not allowed. They're still not allowed to enter Konzares up to now. If a man or a boy you're found in Konzares, you will answer why you're doing in Konzares. But at times I could find one dude in a ladies' room. You're like, how did you get here? But anyway, people have their ways. Yeah. So so it was 10 p.m. and we were heading back to school. I liked to be hold hands, but we were not holding hands. We were just walking slowly, talking 1, 2, 3. I was like, yeah, this is a nice guy, this is a nice person. Yes, yeah, naive, leaking, so naive. Yeah, so, but you have to kiss so many frogs to get to the right one. You have to kiss so many frogs to get to the right one. South C when it's Friday, your things are just crazy. Just people who like to party. It's yeah, it's a place for people who like to party. Yes. So there was a bar there. I can't remember the name of the bar. Insignia or something. I don't know. Sigma. I can't remember. Yes. So there was a restaurant there, and apparently just because of how people used to party at night, and it was Kenya Institute of Mass Communication, students with took. That is the place, that was the zone, just people having fun and everything. Don't ask me how I know these things. I don't party, but yeah. Words go around. If you're a journalist or if you study in a communication school, the walls have ears, and you will literally get to hear stories of people and how they do things. You're like, oh, okay. Yes, let me zip it. Since South C is a place where people are having so much fun on Friday nights, police used to do patrols. Yeah, do patrols at night, making sure that things are okay, people are not disturbed, no robbers or... I didn't know they were doing this these patrols at night. So there this guy, you're just walking slowly, leaking, you're on cloud 9, you're thinking, wow, yeah, this is the most amazing part. This is the most amazing. Like, you're having an evening walk, yeah, with the guy that you like so much, heading towards school, who's going to take you to Konzares, mwachane hapo kwa gate, yeah, ende Konza, he will baki Konzares. So tumetembea hivi, we're just walking, nasikia tua. Where? I froze. Hata niseme aje, I was so calm. Nilifreeze like ako kwenye nilikuwa nimesimama, nilifunga masikio hivi and just waited for whatever is happening to happen. Mimi kufungua macho the guy that I was working with alikuwa amefika, amefika huko. And the way that guy ran, he read. It was so funny. I can't forget. I just remember he was running like this. I was like, huh? Mimi nimeachwa hapa. Umse, mwenye tunatembea na yeye malavidavi, ameenda. Ameniwacha. What happened to being a gentleman? Hata singenishika tu mkono. This guy could have just held my hand. Tukimbie pamoja, niambie, "Boy, kaza miguu." Yeah, it was a matter of life and death, lakini so I think my interest started just fading a little bit from there. We couldn't hold hands. He just ran. I don't know. There was no future in that relationship. He just ran. He never even hold my hand. He never hold my hands. Like, you couldn't, you know how it is. They're gunshots. Like, even the police were not here. It was just gunshots from someplace just near. So, after the gunshots, it was the police who were doing the patrol. After the gunshots, I looked. Akaangalia nyuma. And he was wearing a hood. Oh. All this guy that I had created in my mind, all so masculine, or yes, so gentle, masculine, gentleman, so caring, so loving, he treats you right. It all faded. Hapo. How can you run and just leave me behind? Do we even have a future? Guys, you can comment down below the the weird experiences you've had when it came to a matter of life and death in your relationships. What happened? Like, literally, what happened? Me, that just ilinikata hapo. I was like, I started having, that was a red flag. That was a red flag. If you're supposed to spend the rest of your life with this dude, ikifika in, like, it's for better, for worse, till death towards part. This guy amekimbia, ameenda, ameniacha hapo. Literally, kama ngeshutiwa, hata sijui kama angenotice kama nilishutiwa, angekuwa ameshafika, ameenda, amefika Kenya Mass. Mimi niko hapo, I'm just lying there like this in a pool of blood, puddle of blood. I don't know if it's a puddle of blood or a puddle of water, just laying like that. So mimi niko hapo, and this guy after amekimbia mbele, ameona ude makimbii, kwani kunaendaje? I think even he was shaken. I think his masculinity was dropped. He felt it. He saw it. He was like, unajua, in such matters, unaweza ukishutiwa, in such cases, guns from nowhere, bullets from nowhere, unaweza shutiwa hata haga. naweza shutiwa haga. Unajua umehaga vile kupona ni ngumu. That is what he told me, literally. That is what he told me. I was like, guy, ni haga unaogopa kushutiwa? Wewe ama mimi unatakana kuogopa kushutiwa? That was anyway, that is weird. That is one of my experiences. That is weird and weird. That is weird. I tell you, if you're seeing this video, did you have to do that? Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Be prepared for the next episode, which we are going to talk on how, you remember wash wash? I was a victim. I was conned around 20 G's. Yes, 20 G's, hiyo ni rent. Hiyo ni fuel yako ya wiki mzima. So stay tuned for another story next time. If you're new here, kindly subscribe, comment, like, and share so that you can never ever miss such stories. Later.